everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and a little bit of an update video today. So you may or may not have noticed the time of the videos dropping has changed to 10 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. So that's been a change. Just want to experiment with that. And also the second experiment that we're going to do is we're going to do a series of videos sequentially and see how that resonates. Because right now we have, I think, 12 topics that we go one at a time through and we alternate through, and that may, so we want to experiment with that and see if there's a sweeter spot for it. And also to give you a heads up, going to take about a week break. Might have a recognition announcement video next week, but got a lot of stuff, but still doing 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday. Now going to be at 10 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, or UTC, and just see how that works. But I can't tell you guys thank you enough. I've been getting a lot of awesome feedback. Really, I still enjoy I still enjoy doing these videos and sharing and helping, and I'm constantly learning. I hope you guys are starting to benefit from that yourself. If you're, I can't encourage you enough that once you have just a few of the basics under your belt, just start sharing and sharing yourself. So there we go. Just a little update, continuously tweaking, experimenting, making sure that this is the way and the resources that this channel needs to be to flourish and be what you guys need, and gonna be just working on a few things all at one time. So please drop any comments, questions, any video requests, and this would also be a great time to share this channel with anybody else who's wanting to learn, struggling to learn, has tried a few times and has given up. I know what that feels like. So that was the basis of this, was to break this down into micro videos. The reason why I love that term is because that came from you guys. I'm not smart enough, crafty enough to name that. So just can't tell you thank you. Cannot believe how many videos they are. Can't believe how much intensity I still have. Just, I'm blown away by it. So thank you. Want to always make sure you guys know how appreciative I am, and extremely humbled. Very, 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 very humbled. So, all right, that's that. We'll pick back up in about a week. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.